Hello, good morning, students. Welcome to the first year class of English literature. It's an introduction of the English literature subject that you are going to study for the next 3 years. These are not only the names of the books which are recommended at BA level, but it's an introduction of the development of the English literature in a historical and chronological framework. Every poem or essay is related to its historical background, and there are connections with the period of composition. The essayists and poets recommended in the syllabus are the dominant ones of the English literature, like in first year, you are having two papers. First paper will introduce you to the poetry and drama, and second paper will introduce you to the prose and novel of that period. Like first year introduces you to the period from the end of the 16th century, that is the beginning of the modern English, to the 19th century, that is the Romantic period. Within this stretch of time, several periods can be discerned: the Elizabethan period, the Caroline period, Puritan period, Restoration period, and the Neoclassical period and the Romantic period. The classification of literature is sometimes on the name of different rulers and sometimes on the dominant literary movements. Now, Elizabethan, Caroline, and Restoration periods have links with Queen Elizabeth I, Charles I, and Charles II, while Neoclassical and Romantic periods are names on the basis of the dominant literary movements. Again, in second year, you have two papers on the same pattern as in first year. In second year also you have two papers. First paper will introduce you to the poetry and drama of Victorian and modern period, and second paper will introduce you to the prose and fiction novel of the same period, Victorians and moderns. And in third year, you will be introduced to the Commonwealth literature, means the countries which were dominated by Britain. Mostly all countries' literature is introduced into the third year. Well, up till your third year, you are sure that up till your third year, you will have a grip over the history of society and history of literature with a command over the main trends, and you will perceive a continuity in all these trends. Now, how it will help in your career? If you want to become a teacher of English at a school or college level, you are prepared in that direction right from the first year. What they expect in a NET or SLET, the competitive exams for becoming a teacher, is your grip over the subject right from its beginning till today. So, this subject which you will study at BA level will inculcate in you the required confidence for any field you choose, but it will also widen the horizon for various other career options. So, hoping that you are enjoying the BA English not only for the exams but also for the competitive sense. This material will equip you for competitive exams and also inculcate in you the love for humanity. So, bye for today. Take care. Thank you.